Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I got a problem. This doorknob does not want to lock. It's old. It was put in 1962 and it turns, but when you go to unlock it, it doesn't want to unlock. So I'm going to fix it. And this is a simple part of the whole thing. I'll show you. So we're going to give it a little oil today. First thing I'm going to do is loosen up these screws. They're very long screws. There, now you hear it clunking. That tells me that it's come out to the end. Hear that click? There we go. Now the problem is in this. This part is just different than Dickens. So what I'm going to do is take some of this 336 ultralight oil. These two rods here that hold the screws that hold the whole lock together also go into the latch, and that lines this up this way. So when the handle is released, the spring in the latch forces this so that these two are aligned like this. When you turn this, it slides that fork back inside and lets the doorknob spin. When you turn it this direction, they slide out, lock on either side of that boss, and locks the door. That's the whole idea behind the door lock. Now the problem with this door lock, it was stiff. This part of the mechanism didn't want to turn very well. This can of 336 I got from my neighbor Jim. When he was moving, he cleaned out his garage and was tossing a whole bunch of stuff out, saying that he wasn't going to have room for it at the new house. So he had a big dumpster come in and he was just loading stuff in it. And I said, you know, I got some room. So I ended up getting this and a bunch of other stuff. Jim gave me a whole ton of things. Nails, bolts, and welding cable, and all kinds of things. Really nice guy. But this is cool stuff. The Ultralight 3-36 dry film lubricant displaces moisture, prevents corrosion, resists oil and dirt buildup. So it's kind of nice. It's not greasy. It doesn't leave a film on things that you can feel, but it's very, very slippery. Good stuff. Also penetrates quite well. Now, Jim gave me two full cans, so I'm probably going to be a while before I need some more of it. But when I start running low, I'm going to get me another can of this stuff, because it's great. So now we got the latch figured out. We got it working. Time to put it back in the door. Then we just tighten up the screws again. Now, if you're one of the lucky people in the world that has a power driver, this goes a lot quicker. Did it again, didn't it? Mm-mm. That's how you do it. Just a little bit of oil makes the knob work just like new. Thanks for watching.